Hello everyone, my name is N. Vijay Divija. I am studying Triple E final year in Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Rajampet. My team members are Mr. M. Sai Kiran, Mr. B. Ganga Mahesh, Mr. V. Dhananjay Reddy. My title is Reducing Harmonics in 9-level Inverter using the pulse width modulation technique under the guidance of Mahesh sir, Assistant Professor in Triple E Department. The outlines are objective, introduction, existing method, circuit diagram, working, drawbacks, proposed system, operation, simulation results, components and tools required, advantages, applications, conclusion, future scope, and then the references. The objective of this is to propose and evaluate the new inverter topology, the self-balancing 9-level inverter with coupled inductor for grid-connected renewable energy systems. The integration of renewable sources such as solar and wind power into the existing electrical grid has become increasingly important to meet the growing energy demand while reducing the greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. In this context, inverters play a crucial role in converting the DC power generated by the renewable energy sources into the AC power compatible with the grid. The traditional inverters, such as widely used 7-level inverter, have limitations in terms of efficiency, power density, and grid compatibility. To address these limitations, a novel inverter topology and control strategies are being developed to enhance the performance and reliability of grid-connected renewable energy systems. In this project, a new self-balancing 9-level inverter topology is proposed for interfacing the low-voltage renewable energy sources with the grid. The self-balancing 9-level inverter utilizes the coupled inductor to generate additional levels in the output waveform, thereby improving the quality and efficiency of power conversion process. The self-balancing 9-level inverter incorporates a self-balancing circuit to ensure the voltage across the input DC capacitors remains balanced, simplifying the control and enhancing system reliability. This presents a comprehensive analysis and simulation study comparing the performance of proposed self-balancing 9-level topology with the traditional 7-level inverter. Simulation results include the comparison of output voltage and current waveforms, gate pulse generation, and overall system efficiency. The traditional 7-level inverter have been widely used in grid-connected renewable energy system to convert the DC power from sources such as the solar panels or wind turbines into the AC power suitable for the grid. The 7-level inverter topology typically consists of several power electronic switches arranged in a configuration that allows for the generation of 7 distinct voltage levels. This topology often employs a combination of switching states to synthesize the desired output voltage waveform, typically through the pulse width modulation techniques. The control strategy for a 7-level inverter involves generating appropriate gate signals for the power switches to achieve the desired output voltage waveform. The output voltage waveform of a 7-level inverter consists of 7 voltage levels, providing the better voltage resolution with high harmonic distortion. This is the circuit diagram of the 7-level inverter. The single phase self-balancing 7-level inverter is shown in the above figure. It consists of one coupled inductor, one DC source, and one self-balancing circuit. The self-balancing circuit comprises of DC capacitors and 3 auxiliary diodes. It consists of 8 power switches and 4 power diodes to generate 7 levels in the inverter output voltage. The self-balancing 7-level inverter consists of two DC capacitors C1 and C2, which are the part of self-balancing circuit. The capacitors of C1 and C2 can be charged to half VDC by using the input DC source. The self-balancing 7-level inverter can achieve the 7 levels by using one coupled inductor. The output voltage waveform of 7-level inverter consists of 7 voltage levels, providing the better voltage resolution with high harmonic distortion. This is the output voltage according to the switching states of self-balancing 7-level inverter. This is the existing system of Simulink model of a 7-level inverter. The gate pulses that are given to the switches. The existing system of output voltage waveform. This is the current waveform of the existing system. The drawbacks of this are high harmonics. Due to the limited number of voltage levels, the 7-level inverter may produce high harmonic distortion in the output waveform, leading to the more significant power losses. And next one is the switching losses. With the fewer voltage levels, the 7-level inverter may require high switching frequencies to achieve the comparable performance, leading to increased switching losses and reduced efficiency. The proposed method presents a novel self-balancing 9-level inverter topology designed for integrating of low-voltage renewable energy sources with the power grid. The proposed topology utilizes a coupled inductor to generate additional levels in the output voltage, enabling the efficient grid connection. The self-balancing circuit within the self-balancing 9-level inverter ensures that the voltage across the two input DC capacitors is automatically balanced, eliminating the need for voltage sensing mechanism. The control by a novel multi-sine wave pulse width modulation technique strategy. The self-balancing 9-level inverter offers a significant advantages over the traditional multi-level inverter topology. It achieves higher power density, leading to the improved overall efficiency. This innovation holds a promise for enhancing the performance and integration of renewable energy systems into the grid-connected applications. This is the circuit diagram of the proposed system. The operation is of the first stage is input stage. The renewable energy source such as the solar panels or wind turbines generates low voltage DC power. This DC power is fed into the self-balancing 9-level inverter through two input DC capacitors. Next is the coupled inductor integration. The coupled inductor are employed within the self-balancing 9-level inverter to generate additional voltage levels. These coupled inductors effectively split the DC input voltage into the multiple levels, enhancing the inverter's output voltage capability. The self-balancing circuit. The self-balancing 9-level inverter incorporates a self-balancing circuit. This circuit ensures that the voltage across the two input DC capacitors remains balanced. It achieves this by charging the capacitors in series and discharging them in parallel. The self-balancing feature eliminates the need of external voltage sensing mechanism, simplifying the control strategy. Next one is the multi-sine wave pulse width modulation control. The self-balancing 9-level inverter is controlled by using the novel multi-sine wave pulse width modulation strategy. This control technique enables the precise regulation of the output voltage waveform, ensuring the smooth and efficient grid connection. The output stage. The self-balancing 9-level inverter generates a multi-level AC output voltage waveform suitable for the grid connection. The output voltage waveform exhibits a superior quality with reduced harmonics and improved waveform symmetry compared to the traditional inverter topologies. Grid connection. The multi-level AC output voltage from the self-balancing 9-level inverter is connected to the grid. The inverter synchronizes its output voltage with the grid voltage and frequency, facilitating the seamless power transfer between the renewable energy source and the grid. This is the proposed system Simulink model. These are the gate pulses that are given to the switches in the circuit diagram. The output voltage waveform of proposed system, the current waveform of the proposed system, components and tools that are required. The software required is the MATLAB, and the MATLAB version is of R2013A and it is of 32-bit. The advantages are higher power density, improved efficiency, voltage boosting capability, simplified control strategy, grid-friendly operation, low threshold value, high performance. The applications are grid-connected renewable energy systems, distributed energy generation, microgrid, electric vehicle charging station, industrial and commercial power system. The conclusion. The 9-level inverter exhibits a superior quality resolution and waveform quality compared to the 7-level inverter, as evidenced by the smoother output voltage waveform and reduced harmonic distortion. The gate pulses of the 9-level inverter indicate the efficient switching operation, ensuring the precise control of the power electronic devices and enabling the generation of additional voltage levels. Both the voltage levels and load current waveform of the 9-level inverter demonstrate the stable and well-regulated operation, highlighting it suitably for grid-connected renewable energy system. The proposed 9-level inverter topology shows promising the performance improvements over the traditional 7-level inverter, offering higher power quality, efficiency, and grid compatibility. The further validation of the proposed 9-level inverter topology through experimental testing on hardware prototypes is essential to verify its performance under the real-world conditions and validate the simulation results. Fine-tuning and the control algorithms and compare parameters of the 9-level inverter can enhance its efficiency, reliability, grid interaction capabilities. Optimization techniques such as the genetic algorithms or particle swarm optimization can be improved to optimize the inverter design. These are the references. Thank you.